Hey! Alright, let's have a look at where we are. How the hell do I do this? Right. Well, welcome all of none of you, because no one's watching the video. This is my first video or stream, something at least. I'm going to be trying to construct a manufacturing site where I produce my fuel, and I will then send it all the way over to my other production site, my other facility in Kerbal Space Program, RSS mod. So here I have my construction site where I do my refueling, all that sort of stuff. I will then send it via plane all the way down to Florida? Yeah, Cape Canaveral, over there. I don't know how to get the mods to work. I just dropped my line. Oh, there we go. There we go. But yeah, I'll send a plane traveling with a whole bunch of fuel. Shice amount of fuel. All the way down to there. Oh, there it is. I'll send it there. There'll be some storage tanks, which I'll fuel up. I'll probably put the storage tanks right next to the runway, so that I don't have to truck the fuel everywhere I want to go, everywhere I need to go. I do have a few mods. Some mods I've even modified. So I've modified the mods, which was a lot of fun. Kind of broke some of the parts, so I can't use some parts. If there are parts in here that seem broken, I've probably broke them pretty significantly. But yeah, that's the goal, is to make the refining station, refining area, and then send that fuel over to the launch sites, basically. So this is not a launch site. It looks standard. It is standard. However, I've got my own rules in place that I can't actually launch any vehicles into space via here. I can make planes, send them over wherever I want, but that launch pad is broken. You know what? I know the perfect idea to make it not work. I'm just gonna send a missile, something really big, and blow up the launch pad. Probably the best idea, and then we can't launch from there unless I pay for it. If you've probably not noticed, I have $3 million. I am very bad at this. I'm so bad at this game. However, I thought, well, since I'm so bad, I'll just give myself a bucket load of money, and try and make money. I pretend it's a government grant. Why not? But yeah, hopefully I can get those facilities up and running, and yeah, should be fun, I reckon. All right. Well, let's get started. So let's go into the space plane hangar. I do have a couple of designs already, but they're a little broken, and I've got to continue working with it. So crane 4, completely broken. If I launch it, crashes my game. Can't do it. So here's what I got. This vehicle here, if it touches the ground and I load it back up, it completely flips flips out and launches itself into interstellar space. So, in order for it to not touch the ground with these very nice mod, this very nice mod that adds in tracks and whatnot. I can't remember the name of it. I've put landing gear there so that when I get off the vehicle, I must have this initialized, otherwise, bye-bye. I'm not seeing that vehicle ever again. Or the crew. The crew's gone. So, you might be wondering, what the hell is this? This doesn't look like a crane. Well, it is. It is a crane. What it is it's a really, really large crane. It's so large that, in fact, it goes much higher than the launch bay, the high bay, the whatever that is, VAB. It's so large that it goes way higher than that, and I have to, for it to be portable, I have to send the arm separately. So the idea is, in order for the game to work and allow me to have a stable craft, because if I use hinges to make it portable, they just freak out, absolutely freak out. I haven't messed with these ones. I think it's one of the hydraulic presses that I messed with and it broke. But the hinges, my God, they are just terrible. If anyone knows how to make them way more rigid when I've placed them down with objects, please tell me. Oh my God, that will help me so much. However, since they are completely broken, I am using a different method. My method is I'm using winches to drag the pole up, put this over here. I have another winch right here which connects to the back of it, which is supposed to pull it in, and these are supposed to hold the pole, and eventually it will pull itself all the way upright. However, I don't know how to get it to stay solid. I don't know. I could put this down here, but I don't trust it. I really don't trust it. This game is a game that you do not trust. And not like the developer's awesome. I'm just saying the Kraken. The Kraken is not to be trifled with. He will destroy everything you love if you're not careful. So what we're gonna do is we have to get the pole. The really, really long pole. I'll show you actually. That's what I'll do. I'll show you. The pole I think's on the runway, so I'll take you there now. And we can work out what to do. Yeah. It costs a lot. This vehicle is insanely expensive. I believe it's because of this, me upsizing it to bajillion, and the tracks being upsized. However, I don't want to refuel it all the time, and yeah, that's really it. And the size, it's big because it's supposed to pick up big things. Okay, I've got these jet engines here because that's the counterweight. Basically, I just up the amount of torque the engines are putting out. I have a Cow 1000. you might... So I'm just using a little bit of things here. I've tried to build a counterweight so many times, completely breaks the craft. So the best way that I can do it, making a really good counterweight, is by cheating the system. However, it's fine. I'm not doing it to go to space. That's a big no-no. No spacey, things like that. I can upsize, but no additional thrust via the cow. That's my rules. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, this hinge, I've modified it and I've got to change it because it's I've broken it completely. I think it's, if I set it to 2 or 1, it's fine. But apart from that, it's broken, very broken. So yeah, let's have a look. I've got crew in there. Yes, Jeb, Valentina, they cannot be in there. Don't need them. But I don't really need Bill, but I need someone in the crew cabin and someone out of the crew cabin. And I'll demonstrate what the process is for loading the arm onto the crane. Right, so let's launch it. Let's launch. Hey, there we go. Right. So as you can see, it's a little bit heavier on one side. That's because I've put the legs right in the middle, which is a little off balance. That's fine. Right. Well, let's continue. Oh, bugger. All right, hold on. I'm not doing this. I've got to attach. I got to go fuel tanks. Where are they? External fuel duct tape. That's what they are. There we go. The duct tape for the fuel. Right. Turn off toggle. Attach that to there. This, for some reason, does not have fuel flow. So if I have a look at fuel delivery, yeah, see, had no way to get the fuel. Oh, and of course, right. So hold on, I'm gonna grab that, put that there, then duplicate that. Put that there. And there, we're good to go. Right, so now this is a thing for this. So save, go back to VAB, launch. There we go. All right, good to go. Bam. Come on. Jeez, it takes a little bit to load. But yeah, it's good. Still no viewers. My God. Talking to yourself. It's fine. Eventually, there might be someone. Anyway, this will be going up for whoever wants to watch it. That's basically what it is. So now let's have a look. I think it's number 9. There we go. So now I can slowly do pause. Now if I pull that up. Yeah, it scares me. It scares me so much. I get so worried about actually activating those thrusters, because they are just so powerful. But yeah, I'll show you. Oh, come on, turn around. Oh, and that a fuel engine? That one? Yes. Got some fuel generators up there. Not fuel generators, electricity generators. Right, so now, activate that. Oh, what? Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. I thought it was through the ground, which it probably was. And just went back up to the right level. So that's good. Right, so I might show you. Why not? That's alright. Wait, what? Oh, it's because it probably went to the other hangar. That's right. That's all good. Alright. So, let's have a look. Sorry about that. We'll turn around. Turning around and around. Alright. So, let's back up. Right about there. Bam. So, we're here. Let's get Bill out. Come on, Bill. Come on, Bill. Alright, Bill's gonna go around. I hate this part. I'm just going to activate this so that I can do this quicker, because it is so damn slow. Kerbals are ridiculously slow, and I do not want to activate fast time warp for obvious reasons. If it's not obvious, I'm describing the Kraken for you. So now, if I grab a connector, grab this here, put that there, grab another one, bam, grab that. Alright. Go to a connector, attach that. Then if I go over here, grab this winch, bam. Now, if I go over here, the bottom's not going to be stable, and that's an issue. So I've got to make sure that it is stable when lifting this big thing up. So this is currently where I'm at with designing of the crane. All right. So let's pull this up. We got to go Control P. What ones have we got? Okay, it's not that one. So that and that. Oh, Shivers forgot to turn that off. There we go. So I think this has got to be turned on to same vehicle interaction. So if I go here, same vehicle interaction, can't. I wish they had like a layer system where you can go, I can interact with this layer, but not this layer. You know what I mean? Be so much easier. Alright, so now that it's up here and it's going to break, we are going to pull that in and hopefully get it lifting up. But eventually it just tips over, tips down forward. But yeah, that's the main premise for loading up the big arm for it. So I've got to find a way to make it not tip over. I've tried to think about if I had locked it like that. It still doesn't want to do it. It is very finicky. So let's just have a go anyway. So pull that in. Oh, stretch it. That one. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't trust this game. I don't trust this game. I'm going to go unbreakable joints because it should work. However, I still don't trust this game. There we go. It's loading up. Hallelujah. Right. So now that it's loading up, it takes a little bit. But this is the best way that I've found to actually make a large portable crane. I think it was larger than this. What it originally looked like. I used to have a pole attached right in the middle there. This is centered, however, it used to be at the front there. Couldn't really make it portable. It was only designed for one location. And so what that means is it can only be on Kerbin. I can't launch it into space, otherwise I have a massive pole sticking out of the rocket. So, the idea is I send up a massive pole and then send up a massive crane. With no arm, no pole. And hopefully that's a bit more realistic, even though it's so damn long. I don't know. Maybe I send it in 2 parts. Cut it in half and send it up in 2 parts. That might be the best option for a bit more of a realistic sort of situation. So let's. Oh my god. Okay, so now if I stop that, release that, then pull that, it will still do it. Right. So I can now increase that. So eventually it'll get to a point where it'll just tip forward. That's fine for the moment, but it's a proof of concept. It automatically loads the pole up into the desired location, and it's back heavy. It'll be back heavy. Right, here we go. So this is the issue that I think I'm facing, is it's not being straight. And when you're sorry about that, it's not being straight, and so I've really got to make it actually go straight. That's a key problem. I could put something in the middle here that aims it correctly. But but I've got to have a way that pulls this side down. And that's what I'm having trouble with. I guess eventually it'll pull itself down, but I want it to stay down. Maybe I'll add a counterweight. That would be a really good idea. But geez, it's gonna be a freaking heavy counterweight. Anyway, right, so I'll go to launch, revert to launch, and recover both the vehicles, because I've got to make the pole work, and yeah, got to make the pole work, got to make the crane work, got to do all that sort of stuff. Right, so let's go here, go over to the ball. Where is the ball? Pole's over there. What? Where's what? Ah, fun. Yay. Okay. The pole's disappeared. Well, I will just revert to assembly, I guess. And then go from there. And try and make both sides work. Alright. Sorry. Just give me a second. Give me a second. One second, please. 1 second. 1 second. I'll be there in 1 second. Right, here we go. So, let's pull this up. Let's go save. Go into the Space Center view. It should be there. There we go. So now I recover that. It's going to be an issue later, I guess. Also, this is going to be about a 1 hour live stream. Forgot to mention that because I've got stuff to do. Got life. Real wonderful life. Wonderful life. Very good life. Alright, so let's pull this up. We got pole. Both have 7 parts. Yep. Awesome. Both same price. Oh, wait a minute. I was looking at the wrong one. 32,000. 32,000. Awesome. So, we need a counterweight. Ooh, good name. Need a counterweight for this side. Best way to do a counterweight. I could have a thruster, which I can change the amount. However, it's uncontrollable. And if it turns 180 degrees, well then it starts going flying. So let's just look at other options. What's a heavy material? I could put a fuel tank like that. Maybe that one. Upscale it a little bit. I could do that, but I don't know about the upscale. Then again, I could put the procedural one what's the weight? Okay, hold on. That one. Okay. Right, so that's a big counterweight. I could even copy that and put 2 of them there. like such. And then it will be flat when it's being pulled up, which is a really good idea. Really, really good idea. Gonna be, I don't know, it'll be fine. That's quite a lot of weight. How much? Oh my god. It's quite a bit of weight. So I think we can change the size on those. Yeah, there we go. Actually, I'll go up, change the length down to maybe 4. 4, right? So that should be fine. Poll, save, right? Now, the poll is ready, I think. Same part interaction is what we also have to do. Same part. Bam. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now they're ready. Go save, then crane 3. Load that up. Then we go part, same vehicle interaction. Because when they dock, they're going to be having lots of fun and not flying through parts. Okay, so now if I put, come on, there we go. There we go. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go up a bit more, just because I'm doing that. I could increase the size of it, but it's not really going to change very much. Alright. Now, when it is attached, I've got to consider using struts. So I've got to have a crew member come up and attach these to there. So, cargo bay, go one of these. Awesome. Right click on that. Inventory. Strut. Come on, strut. There we go. Okay, so we put some struts in there. Then we can close out of that. And we should be good to go. Yeah. Oh, God, these feel so cheaty. I don't like it. I I think they're too cheaty. What I'm going to do... Power supply. I could do that. Try that. I'll try this. I'll see if this works. This is from a mod. I don't know. I can't remember what mod. I can upscale it, which makes it look a little bit more consistent to the... No, it doesn't. Jeez. Oh, jeez, Rick. Alright, so... come on, one way. Oh, that looks so terrible. So terrible. Okay. Not going to do that. We've got this one. We could put few of those. Let's put them up there, because then they look a bit more consistent. There we go. So now, let's go save. We saved it. Saved it there. Switch editor. Then we can launch. I reckon we can launch. Alright. The lights are terrible, by the way. They are just do not work well. I'm thinking about replacing them with the Spluminator. I'll give that a go. Come on. One way. There we go. Then open that. Pitch the angle. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. That one. There we go. Okay. Be right back. I'm back. Let's get back onto the game. So now we can launch. We can launch this and get ready to go. Why is Jesus? Why is the it's a stream. I'll have to work out how to make it look a bit nicer. So let's launch. If we head over to... Jesus, that's loud. If we head over to the... Whoa, what the hell is that? If we head over to next to the runway, then we can just leave that there, leave the crane there, load up the pole, and then we can make many attempts. Oh! We're out of electricity. Isn't that fun? Toggle mode, open sail, close mode. Start that one, start that one. Jesus Christ. Okay, I guess I needed that. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh. Why? Alright. So, back to this go. Why did I think this would work for those small little engines? Let's go. That one. That one. That one. Bam. Now, it should work. I said this a couple of times now. It should work, but it might not work. Actually, let's launch from here. We'll launch from the space plane hangar, move over off the runway, and relaunch. That should be our best option. Should be our best option, I reckon. And I've got 20 minutes. It's a 20-minute stream. 20 more minutes. Alright. Come on. Whoa! That works so much better for light. My God. Alright. I will have to use that from now on. So now we are turning. Oh, that's going down. Start fuel cell. Operational. So yeah, that seems a bit more realistic. not realistic enough. So let's just refuel that completely, see how it does. Jeez, okay. This was just a test. This is just a test, so it should be fine. Let's... Alright. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go Space Center. No. Legs. Gotta make sure about those legs. Uh-oh. 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 Please don't break. Please don't... Okay. I guess it's going to be like that. Alright, did I have no crash damage? Okay. Alright, well, if they blow up, they blow up. Let's hope they don't blow up, because I really want them. I really need them. Really need them. Alright, so we've got the crane 3 there. Now we'll load it. Load the pole. Okay. This is the right one. Launch it. Launch anyway. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, here we go. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please. Oh, yeah. Okay. Right. Well, that was definitely interesting. Not on that one. Let's activate that. We'll go over here. Oh, something broke. Obviously doesn't matter because it didn't really do anything at all. I wonder how to actually check what I lost. Okay, now let's give this a go. There's a significant amount more on the back. Let's get fuel out, because why not? And let's stop those engines. Activate that. Go gravity, because, geez, I can't be bothered to... Come on. There we go. Can't be bothered to walk around. Grab connector. Attach that one. Attach connector. There we go. That's a little off. Oh, that's right. It was off center for a reason. Now we'll go over here. Attach this to the back. Hopefully it works. Should stay in the right orientation at least, because of the barrels at the back. Bam. Okay, here we go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? So that one. Okay. Bottom one is winches. The bottom one is a winch. What am I saying? So is okay. Hold on 1 second. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's us go over here. Pull this up. Pull that one that way. Oh, careful. Oh. Stretch. Come on. It works. Come on. You want to do it. I know you want to do it. Yeah, there we go. So now there, if I to increase the speed of that, please work. This would be the first time something like this has worked. I haven't seen anything online at all about a portable crane of like super heavy proportions, and for the height and size of it. If you guys want this, let me know. I'll probably post something or make it available somehow. I'll have to do some research. But oh, it's working. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh. No. Okay. Okay. What? That's not supposed to happen. That's not supposed to happen. Something like that is what it's supposed to do. However, it's obviously not. However, those are really strong. Shivers. Okay, so I cannot use this, but I can definitely use those. Anyway, proof of concept. It works. Why do I say it works? Well, for one, it's up in the air in a completely wrong direction, but it's up in the air. It works to what I wanted it to do, which was to go up in the air. So it works. The concept works. Partially works. So I've got to have a way that pushes this up, keeps it straight. So I will need to put these out the front, like from here, extending out. A bit like this, but I don't know. Has to be some way. But yeah, really cool. Okay. I might have to continue this in part 2. Just because I've got to get this. I've got to get things done. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. You don't have to do that. I mean, it's your choice. Do whatever you want to do. But yeah, that will help me out, help support, and I'll keep making more. Even if one person is watching, that's better than no one. So, have a good afternoon, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.